I am the singing man. The singing man is what I am. I am the singing man as I go about my business.
The multicoloured horse is flying through the kitchen. The multicoloured horse is going to eat some chicken.
I'm not a dog. Falling chalk, how dangerous can it be?
Chandelier is very near to my hand. Chandelier doesn't drink beer and is unmanned. I got an irritated bowel, Mr. Owl. It might be rude to eat your food in front of others, Mr. Dog. It might be rude to eat your food, but who cares?
Oh, seaweed by the bench. Oh, what a stench. Hey, Mrs. Wench, come and sit down.
Doodle-loy, 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 doodle-loy.
Oh, wrap your padlock in plastic, then put round a piece of elastic so it won't blow away.
I am the singing man.